Alright, so these are the tools that you're gonna need. You're gonna need a rubber mallet, just in case. Whatever tool you're using to take off your tire. 2 jack stands. I like to use this driver. It's my favorite tool. Size 14 deep socket. A 3/8 ratchet to break the bolts before you use the impact. Some kind of tool to push out the bushing. And then if you want to be legit, you need a 3/8 torque wrench and a 1/2 inch torque wrench, because the 3/8 only goes so high. That'll be for the small bolts. But as far as the 14s for the rack and the 17 for the torque rod, it's a higher rating, so you got to use a bigger one. All right, so I pretty much started this already, but in order for you to take out the bushings for your rack, you don't have to necessarily take out everything. You just have to take out that Y bar that's here. It's held on by a bunch of 14s and the 17 that holds the tension rod up. All right, so the install is straightforward for this one because it's a 2-piece. You just take it apart. So you put one in the back, one in the front, and put the bolt through. Very easy. When you do press these out, all of it comes out one shot usually, especially if your car is as old as mine. Mine's an 04, so it's a stock rack. And then this one's very easy. You just wrap it over the thing. Very much big difference with strength. This one's so flimsy and this one's pretty stiff. But yeah, pretty straightforward install. Just put one side in the rack, then throw the other side over, then bolt it up, torque it down. Yeah, so you got 2 on the driver's side and then the strap on the passenger side. 2 bushings installed. Top and bottom, this is the round ones, and then on the side over there, that's the horseshoe one. The torque spec for these online is 48, I believe. 48 pounds, like 60 millimeters or something. But yeah, that's it. Alright, so I'm pretty sure one of you guys are gonna ask me, you didn't show us how to take it out. So, this is your brace on the bottom. 1, 2, 14s, and then your strut rod is 17. So there's 2 here, and there's 2 14s and 1 17 on both sides. So one side here, one side there. And then over there in the middle, there's 2 14s. That goes to your cross member, the front cross member. So you take out the 6 14s and the 2 17s, you drop that. You take out the 2 14s for the rack, and the 2 14s for the rack. Or no, sorry, the 4 14s for rack, one here and one on the other side. Then you just pull the rack this way and let it hang and face down. And then you should be, if your bushings are really short, you should be able to just push it out with your hand. Mine, I believe the bottom was able to push out with my hand. The top, I had to use that tool that I showed you earlier. It's a caliper bolt with the rubber at the end. The rubber grabs onto the inside of the thing of the sleeve, and then you just push it out with your hand. Just with I pushed it out with my palm. And then I was able to get it out. Yeah, that's it. We're done.